in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if your Ethernet is not working on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing I recommend doing would be to make sure you have a secure connection with the back of your computer with the Ethernet port. Make sure that the wire is properly plugged in, the cab wire, and that it's plugged back into the wall. And you may want to try swapping out with a different cable as well. Something else you can look into as well would be to open up the search menu and type in troubleshoot. Best result should say troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the right side, select additional troubleshooters. And underneath get up and running, select the internet connection troubleshooter and run it. And give it a moment to run. Hopefully it would resolve the problem. If not, something else you can try as well would be to open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best result should say command prompt. Right click on it and then run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And then you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard. Should come back a Windows IP configuration. Successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Now you want to type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset. Then hit enter on your keyboard. Successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Close out of here and then restart your computer at this time. And hopefully I should be able to resolve the problem. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.